Hi, today I'm testing Tangem Mobile Wallet. It looks like this wallet is the easiest option for beginners, and also quite convenient for people experienced in crypto. With this one you can store any crypto you want, use built-in swaps and staking, send any asset with smart gas, and also you can get a cold wallet with NFC connecting, but we'll talk about it later. Now I'll show you how to install the wallet and all the features. Okay, you can get the wallet using this QR code or check the link in the description below. With this invite you can get some additional perks like some discounts and boosted yield. Okay, you can download this on Android and iOS both. Just tap install, and after this you can use the app. Open it. I allow notifications to get info about transactions and updates. I have to say you can buy a physical cold wallet that is card, but now we'll use free mobile wallet. So tap on the mobile wallet. If you already have an account you can just log in by importing it, but I use the app for the first time. Click create, and that's it. Now you have a crypto wallet. Then we need to make some backup so you never lose access to the wallet even you broke or lose the phone. Tap on 3 buttons on the top right side. See you have one wallet account. Of course you can add more wallets, but now I show how to save backup of this. So go inside this wallet, and go to backup. It's incomplete now. Select recovery phrase. I strongly recommend to do this. They provide you a recovery phrase with 12 words. You can't make a screenshot of this, so they forced you to really write it somewhere. And then check if you really wrote these words. After this create some PIN code to access the app on the current device. Okay, now you can completely use the wallet and don't be afraid of losing your money. You can add crypto by different ways. Buy it with some card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or other bank account. Swap from other crypto if you already got some on this account. Or deposit any crypto from exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, or other wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. There are a lot of available countries where you can deposit with card or bank account. When buying, check providers to get most profitable one. I just add some USDT and TRX from Binance to test it. Okay, go to swaps. You can fast swap between different networks here. Change providers for swaps as well, some of them can take less fees. Alright, there is an opportunity to stack some tokens to get annual income. The best way to store crypto cause you get a little additional % when holding something. Or you can use yield mode with some stable coins. And there is a limited offer for you. It's boosted 3 times now for the first 30 days. The yield mode is a way to earn yield directly inside your wallet without using external DeFi platforms or dealing with complex setups. If you use my invite you can see that the income is increased when activating yield mode. It's possible to start it with some stables like USDT or USDC. With the first month you earn the standard DeFi yield and additional boost bonus on top of this. I have to say they'll pay the bonus within 14 days after 30 days holding, and the maximum amount of the bonus is $50. And this offer is available for you if you use the invite link. And some example on this. There is USDT on C-Chain network, and it has 3.3% of a PY. If you stack $3,000, after 1 month you'll get 8.3 USDT of the standard yield and additional 25 USDT. So you can get about $33 on that without any risks. And you can choose some another stable with a higher APY income. One more cool thing. If you got some money on your account you can pay somewhere with any crypto you want, and you don't need to use swaps before. They'll do that automatically, so it makes the app easy to use. As I said before, you can order a physical cold wallet here. It's more safe if you want to hold big money. You can also refer your friends to the wallet. You'll get some bonuses for this. Leave a comment if you get any questions. Thanks for watching.